This video is brought to you by Mobboy. You know, time goes fast, things are changing really fast, and even faster the artificial intelligence market is changing. And if you watch my news video, you probably know about that. With every new week, like every day, new opportunities are opening up to the artists all over the world, new ways to make money on artificial intelligence. So today I would like to update my topic of the best platforms where you, my friends, can sell your AI art and make some money from it. Hi everyone, this is Steel17. I'm a musician, producer and part-time designer who's been in this field for more than 8 years. And today I would like to make a sequel to my video about the best platforms where you can sell your artificial intelligence art. Yes, it's only been a couple of months, but in that time I had time to frustrate it in some of these platforms, test a couple of new ones and find new options for you. So in this video I will show you my new top 5 platforms where you can easily sell your AI art. Interested? Let's go. But well, before we move on to making money on artificial intelligence art, I will ask you to hit the like on this video and subscribe on this live channel so not to miss other videos about e-commerce and artificial intelligence. Your likes, your comments really support me and this channel, and it takes you only one click, but this one click will make me a little bit more happier 100%. So thank you for your attention, enjoy watching, and we are ready to start. Let's roll. Woo! Like as always guys, let's start with the 5th place and move smoothly to the first one. And the 5th place is taken by Creative Market. A very clean, very nice platform for selling digital content in all its forms. Here you can sell your illustrations, graphics, fonts, photos, videos, mockups, brushes and much more. You can check out all listed products on the main page and see which works are selling the best and which are in trend thanks to convenient sorting by page. But I have to say that the best-selling products here are collection of the images. For example, like collection of the desktop wallpapers, or maybe stickers, or maybe just PNG files on any topic, and so on. Therefore, I would like to warn you that Creative Market is not exactly stock site. It's more like a Etsy, but not print on the main platform. And so here you need to work really hard to make a collections and make some money on your works and art. But nevertheless, the opportunity is there. Of course, you can find the link on the description or a pinned comment, and let's go to the 4th place. So the 4th place, Zedge. This platform was recommended to me by my subscriber, and thank him for that. What is Zedge? Zedge is actually a mobile application where people can find millions of wallpapers for their phones. I recently created an account myself and started posting my works here. It works really simply. You upload an image, fill necessary information about this image and specify how you want to sell this image. And this is the most interesting point here, because you have a free option to choose. The first one, you can sell your images for free. Second option, this is a paid advertising. And the third one, just a paid option. I have not yet realized what the method is more effective actually, and I will try further, and if it turns out to earn something on this platform, I will definitely make a video about it. And yeah, of course, before you start selling your art here, you need to fill out the tax form, like W8 form if you're not USA citizen, upload your images and wait a little bit for authorization. But I think it's not a big problem because it takes you not too much time. By the way, speaking of time, let me introduce today's sponsor, Mobboy. And friends, don't rush to rewind the video, because this is not ordinary advertising integration, as you have a chance to make money from it, especially if you're an AI artist. Mobboy is a technology company dedicated to developing advanced devices and artificial intelligence. And if you ever wanted to buy yourself a smartwatches, you have probably heard about Mobboy TicWatch and TicWatch Pro, which are sold worldwide and are in high demand. Recently, Mobboy released a new TicWatch Pro Series 5 model, and you, my friends, can get this watch in a unique sandstone color totally for free, as Mobboy has launched a special promo. What is this promotion? Let me tell you more about it. To celebrate the release of the new sandstone palette for the TicWatch Pro Series 5, Mobboy is giving away their new watch to attract the attention of AI artists from around the world. And all you have to do is generate AI image in the sandstone colors. The theme for your image can be found on Mobboy's official Twitter account or X account call it whatever you want, but stay tuned because image themes are updated every 3 days. I came across a landscape and city themes, so without much thought, using Midjourney you can use any text-to-image generator that you want. I generated an image of fantastic like fantasy landscape, the colors of which match the branding and colors of the new TicWatch Pro, so that's cool. And all that's left to do is write one tweet, attach your image, and most importantly tag Mobboy and 2 of your friends, and that's it. Each of these winners will receive a brand new TicWatch Pro 5 Sandstone, and their artworks will be transformed into unique watch face, available on the Times Show application. The winning image will be chosen based on creativity, adherence to the topic, and of course, aesthetic appeal. The promotion runs through August 15, so you have 2 days to make a post on Twitter, upload your work, and try your luck. All links to Mobboy and contest page you will find in the description under this video or in the pinned comment. So guys, it's time to show your imagination, your skill, and win really nice and hype watch. So follow the links in the description, enter the giveaway, good luck, and let's get back to my top. The first place, you will never guess guys, freepik. An insanely cool and nice platform that allows you to upload your AI work. Very simple interface, clear functionality and tracking of your sales stats. A week ago I uploaded a couple of my works here and few of them have already sold. Also from the interesting features of the platform is that with each uploaded work you get points and you increase the level of your account. A little more about the levels and what they give you can read in the article. The link to it you will find in the description or pinned comment, like as always guys, description and pinned comment. One of the really nice thing about the freepik, the waiting for the review is only 20 days, but I want to tell you that my works passed review like in a 6 or 7 days, and this is a really nice time, this is really fast. But there are downsides too. Aside from the fact that you also need to upload your tax form, I noticed that many of the works I uploaded did not pass moderation. Of the 23 works I uploaded, only 16 passed moderation and the rest of the images were not added to my store, because freepik has really strict requirements to the quality of images. You can also read about it in a special article where more than 20 points are devoted to why your image may not fit the platform. But guys, freepik is goddamn good platform and I will definitely spend more time on it and make another video for you. So let's move on. The second place, ArtStation. And so second place is ArtStation. Truly one of the best platform if you're focused on developing yourself as a conceptual designer and artist in the game dev industry and beyond. It has just everything you need to organize and make profitable business. Want to sell something? You can do it. Want to manage your portfolio? No problem. Want to communicate with your subscribers? Go for it. Find a job right on ArtStation? Please, you're welcome. I've already made a separate video dedicated to this platform, and if you want to learn a little bit more about ArtStation, follow the link somewhere here or in the description or pinned comment, of course guys, and start earning on ArtStation right now. And so, the first place. So what do you think on the top of my top list? What platform brings me almost $100 of passive income per month without any effort? That's right guys, Adobe Stock. The best stock sites to sell your AI images at the moment. Fast, convenient, easy to understand platform that promotes your work itself without any advertisement or third-party services. This is really important. I've already made 2 videos about this platform, all the link you find in the description or pinned comment. Goddamn, I'm tired to repeat this stuff over and over again. And you know, I will make another one, because Adobe Stock pleasantly surprised me with its sales and stability. Yes, there is one big problem, one big disadvantages on this platform: the moderation time. The moderation time here is now up to 2 months, which prevents you from uploading trending images quickly. But you can always upload these images in advance. Why not? If you know there will be a demand for Santa Claus images at Christmas time, generate and submit your images for moderation in August. No big deal. They will just start selling a little bit later. Anyway, expect a new Adobe Stock video from me soon, where I will tell you more about my strategy and show you clearly that I've taken my sales from 20 cents to $20 a week in 3 months. I think it's not bad result, and I think I can explain you how I did it. And yeah, in the meantime, by far part, I think Adobe Stock is the best stock site where you can sell your AI generated images. And that was my top of the best stock and not only stock sites where you, my friends, can sell and make money on your artificial intelligence content. Like I said, more videos are waiting for you soon, so subscribe to the channel to not miss new videos and write your comment which of this platform you like the most. And this was Still 17, see you the next week, bye. Now I have to record the news video. Today is a long day. Most important thing, I'm wearing the Christmas socks. That makes me stronger. So see you soon.